I got this question on YouTube, and because of that, you're making this video. Here's the perfect model we need for this video: a talking drum with broken organ. Now, organ is that tiny string that connects the black rim to the drum head, and it is very important that these tiny strings are in place even as we apply tension to the talking drum. Now, this is broken in two places, there and there. Yeah, I checked my talking drum and I found some excess organ from the other side. So I'm taking it out to fix the broken, part on the other side. Take off this because I don't even really like this arm. Okay, so that's the organ that we're using to replace. And then first thing I do is I try to take off, because I don't like joining. I try to take off all those ones that are in between the first and the second part. So I try to take them off. Just make sure you have it tucked down so the other face doesn't shift. You don't want the other face of your talking drum shifting. And that's it. Almost half of the talking drum has been, taken off. And I want to fix it back. Almost half of it. Yeah, so the organ goes in. Yeah, but before that, you can see this Oson that is already broken too. So I'll just take it away. I'll use it as the SS tension string. I'll take it off, and that's how we roll. Let's start. Let's put the organ in nice and steady. Yeah, just like the way we fix the drums on a normal day, like when we want to put a new drum head. So we put the tension string into between the hour itself and the eggy, which is the rim, the black rim. So we do this and tie up a knot with the organ, and voila, we are good to start. Make sure it's nice, tight, and then just follow the process. Now, with using the needle, we have to make sure we are following the path, like the needle point of the former organ that we removed. We make sure we chook the needle, as they say. I chook it, put it right inside the former hole so that it fits through and doesn't break our needle. So let's go. That's it. Repeat the same process. Just follow the same hole or the same pattern that was there before you removed the organ. And I think you'll be good to go with that. Okay. Another angle. Now check this out. The organ is already getting short, but my church might still want to manage that organ. And that could be the end. You see? But I am very sure it won't be enough, to complete or finish the round I want to make. But I'll still struggle with it anyways. The Nigerian in me will want to manage it. Ha ha ha. Manage everything. So after struggling with it for a little while, I concluded this wouldn't be the right thing to do. So I decided to go back a step and then join up more organ to it. So I have like SS to work with and stuff like that. Again, tied up just like we did the first time. And there we are. And just for the sake of, continuity and I say beauty, I decided to remove about 2 more points so that I'm able to use my new organ. And that is the end of Solomon Grundy. Okay, so now you see, I have finished up with the drum and I can just proceed to the next steps, which is tidying up the excess organ or the other organ that is just sticking out everywhere. I need to tidy them up. Let's do that in a bit. So that's it, all nice and tidy. You see, restored and. Thank you for watching this talking drum restoration video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do come back for more, subscribe, hit the like button, share with your friends, share.